Being on YouTube is weird. I spent my first 45 videos trying to be someone I thought people would like, or at least someone people would watch. What's going on? What's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? Alex Gasaway here, and this is episode 5 of the series Crowdfunding for Film. I mean, honestly, any of my friends, anyone who knows me, could tell you that that last clip, that wasn't me. But who am I? Or more importantly, who do I want to be? These are the questions we all face, but being on YouTube slaps you in the face with those questions. You have to figure it out fast. And I thought I knew. I was an athlete, a creator, a filmmaker. I wanted to be someone who was going to change the world. But doesn't everyone? I wonder if that's the most common answer to that question, to change the world. How am I different? I'm not different. Humans are wired with a deep desire to belong, instinctively driven to avoid acting in a way that puts us at risk for criticism or exclusion. I'm no different. But you have to be different on YouTube. You can't always be better, but you can always be different because you're you. And there's no one else in the world that is. So sure, being on YouTube can feel weird, but it can also be the most effective way to discover you. If you stop letting fear steer the ship, the fear that keeps us from embracing what makes us different, let go of the idea that we should conform, we should look, lead, or live a certain way. And maybe it takes making 62 daily videos and having to record when you're sick to realize you're not fooling anyone. You're definitely not fooling yourself. Too often we let people define us, and the only way to truly find your purpose, to have an impact on this world in a meaningful way, is to be you. Find your voice. Stop assuming everyone else in the room has a better idea or something more important to say, and speak. Just be you. Own your difference. That's what people want to see.